good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another weekend vlog. So it's 8:09. So not much gonna be happening this weekend because Avery got sick from school. But yeah, so I'm just trying to get breakfast ready. Make my coffee. Sweet and creamy. Everly's Hot Pocket. She requested Hot Pocket. So woke up around 7:30, and then me and the girls and the husband, we just all laid in bed for a good like 20 minutes. So I'm making Avery some mom noodles. Just without the grease, just the seasoning. Oh, not the oil. Last weekend we didn't do anything either. So it's gonna be another similar vlog. So this is the oil part that I don't put in there if she's coughing. So I only put in this big side. This is spice, but I just put this one in. This one is the pork flavor. So add an egg in here for protein. The Christmas wrap, because I don't have any birthday wrap, and the husband don't really get invited to birthday parties like for kids. We're gonna use Christmas wrap, and if pink, I'm pretty sure it'll be fine. At least they'll know whose gift is who. So this big box, I gotta. Oh, this is for Aaliyah Rose. First birthday party is next Saturday, so I'm gonna vlog a little bit, but it's just gonna be of me, not of other people. I am not the best gifter, right? But we're gonna try. But yes, we got this play tent that was on her Amazon birthday list, and then we got her this little baby Stanley cup. It's like a little, I'm trying to think what that brand is. This is like a little toy brand that was also on the list, and then we got some hair ties, bow ties, because I know for sure Aaliyah Rose is gonna use those. A jacket, which was like a Minnie and Mickey jacket. Whenever, hopefully, Jacksonville will get cold, hopefully. Cut it too short. Good thing this is the bottom and not the top. I think I should have done this on the floor. Find a pink bow to cover this epic fail. Alright, one side's done. So this is the best we're gonna do. Good 10 minutes just working on the wrap. I don't think I need to buy a bow since the top doesn't look that bad, but it's pretty heavy. But that's the top. The bottom, don't even talk about it. The back, don't even talk about it. It is what it is. Like I said, it's about the inside, not the outside. Avery, she just now got sick. She started showing signs Friday, so, which was yesterday. She started showing signs that she was sick, so we were planning on going to my girlfriend's Mary's house, but we're gonna have to plan a different day because I don't want her to get sick. I'm reading Sweet Obsession by Katie Robert. Well, I already reached my goal. I'm just waiting on my sister Dee Dee to reach the goal because we gotta reach that sticky tab, which I already reached it. So we stop at 30, and then there is, trying to see how many chapters we got left without looking at spoilers. So it's 37 chapters. think if we could drill, you know, like cook on each side, it should stay. Because our drawer broke. And I don't want to buy a whole new one. Because on Home Depot, it says it's $150. And plus, just depending on what type of drawer we're trying to get. I ain't trying to do all that. Like this. Because we tried to nail it. Girls to be the Huntrix from K-pop Demon Hunters. But Everly still wants to be Rumi, but Avery, she changed her mind and she wants to be Ladybug. The Ladybug from Miraculous. So we got the extra small one, 3 to 4, because she's short, so I figured this one would be better. But we're gonna try it on later and make sure that it fits. If not, then we're gonna go back and switch it out. And then I got this, which is purple hairspray for Rumi. Miss Rumi over there.
Someone's got a bad continuing on. Yeah. Just over 12 minutes remaining.
Mommy gotta give you medicine.
Protein inside could be worth $250,000. So you, all right. Smooth. Soft.
Just came back from doing oil change and coming back from the Asian store haul. Had to get some oyster sauce. We got sriracha. So this one is the smaller bottle, $5.99. Is the smaller bottle of the hoisin sauce, which is I went into the Asian store to get this, which is mirin. Got some white pepper. I had to pick up some new fried red onion. I'm gonna be making salt and pepper shrimp tomorrow. So lately, you know, the whole Demon Slayer movie came out recently in theaters, like the new one. So I have been watching that. I never watched it. I am currently on season 3, episode 3 of Demon Slayer. I'm on the Ito Yoshiwara. I'm on that episode. And it's really interesting. Like, the first episode got me, though. The first episode got me hooked. And then, just the whole concept, I can see why everybody loves Demon Slayer. So, my husband already watched it last year already. But yeah, I'm about to watch. I'm also watching it in Japanese. I don't watch all 5 seasons before the movie. But I googled, they said that supposedly you only need to watch the first season and then the first few episodes of the second season, and then you can watch the movie that just released this year. But the husband says it's better to just watch it all before watching. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just watching it all. Because we're not going to go watch the movie until the husband is, like, free. Oh, do I get a pimple? Yep, I do. Right there. I just put a pimple patch on. Hopefully it will suck up all the juices. But the hubby got this when I went to go do oil change. So it's a dragon fruit tea with crystal pearl and milk foam. All I taste is the milk foam and the tea from the dragon fruit. Add me on the Instagram. Don't do that. What are you doing? Playing with my CC. Good morning. 8:15. September 20th. Pimple patch. Trying to think. It's the Hero pimple patch. So it's recommended to be left on for 6 to 8 hours. This allows time for the patch to absorb excess fluids and impurities from the pimple. The patch should turn white, indicating that it has reached its capacity. Okay. Eee. That's how it looks like. Oh, should I put another one on? I'm just gonna leave it alone, and then if it puffs up, then I'm just gonna have to do it again. With the Delio SPF. I need to turn on this other light because this lighting sucks. Moisturizer. I should probably stop using the travel size one and use my big one. Don't mind all the junk in the back. I gotta clean all that. I'm gonna do the jump up. Makeup done. End up, I accidentally did a little dash and connect the mess that I had did, or the eyeliner did. My hubby made coffee while I was doing my makeup. Did a few TikTok videos, and that's it. I do need to put some lash mascara at the bottom. Forgot to do that. St. John's area. So after breakfast, we're gonna see how she's feeling and see if she's up for it. If not, we're just gonna stay home. IKEA. Well, I need stuff for your room. I need to look. They are not wanting to go into IKEA. Hardly 11:01. The window. So I'm going in here just to look for stuff for the girls' room. I'm looking for a bookshelf for the girls' room. And also saw they got some new releases on towels, so we're gonna go and see how it looks. Like what type of pink it is and stuff like that. Oh, we gotta go kids section, baby. She over here think it's a whole playground. But it says temporarily unavailable. Aww. I mean, it's a cabinet, but it could be a bookshelf. You know what I mean?
I know.
I wanted this pink one.
I like this one.
How do we know if it's gonna come back? So I'm getting this. It's only $4.99, so we're gonna get it. Put it on the floor though. Got seasoning on there. There's no guy on there. Dude, this is a chicken salad right there. I don't even need that. I didn't bring my mic. Go home. Doing a IKEA haul. Got a new step stool. Got a new rug for the girls. Pink's cute. Hubby wanted to get the meatball for the kids. Step stool. And it's perfect because it matches the other step stool. Already kind of dirty a little bit, but what is?
Salt and pepper shrimp. If you're not eating.
Alright, it is 6:19. Just ate dinner. So, about to take off my makeup because it's a little heavy and just don't wanna have to do it later at nighttime. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it while I still got energy. 'Cause I am food coma for sure. I'm thinking I might leave the lashes though. Yes, baby. Alright, I use the the Juno Skin Cleansing Balm. But I think the company is called Junico. Juno? But I've been using that for a few years. Okay, just took off my makeup. Except my lashes. I left my lashes on. Go in with the Medicube Collagen Jelly Cream. I'm obsessed with this. So this one is the hydrolyzed collagen. So this keeps my face glowing. It is like an overnight one. And then it be feeling like, it feels like a baby's butt in the morning. And in this vlog, so didn't really do much, but definitely did something compared to last weekend. So this upcoming weekend we do have plans. One of my girlfriend's daughter's first birthday, Aaliyah, so it's gonna be her first birthday party. So we're gonna go to that next Saturday. And then also we do have Gabby's Dollhouse movie comes out, which Avery and Everly do like watching here and there. So we're gonna take them to go watch that. We might go to that new Asian supermarket that just opened, grand opened like last weekend. But I think it's still gonna be packed though. So I don't know, we'll see. We're gonna go to St. John's, go to IKEA, went to eat at Dave's Hot Chicken, which I knew I was gonna get copyrighted, so that's why you have to watch the mukbang on my TikTok. If you enjoyed this video, hope you enjoyed. Please give me a thumbs up. Don't mind this, I gotta throw it away. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this vlog. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. And see you in the next vlog. Bye!